The Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to be Samsung's most powerful smartphone yet, and leaks have already given us a ton of exciting details. From groundbreaking performance to new features, here's everything we know so far. Let's start with performance, because this is where Samsung is really stepping up its game. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen processor, and we know how powerhouse chipset it is. The standout here is Samsung's new custom NPU, or Neural Processing Unit, which is expected to boost AI-driven tasks significantly. Early benchmark tests have shown that the Snapdragon 8 Gen could outperform the A18 Bionic chip, meaning it might finally close the gap with Apple in raw power. But as a bad news, according to a post on X, the basic Galaxy S25 isn't getting the most out of the chip and is falling behind compared to other devices. However, the S25 Ultra might be the solution for the people who want power. And it doesn't stop there. This processor is expected to bring massive efficiency improvements, which means better battery life and smoother performance across apps, games, and multitasking. If the leaks are to be believed, this phone is going to set new records in Android performance. Next up, AI integration. Samsung is rumored to be heavily investing in AI with the S25 Ultra. From smarter photo enhancements to predicting your daily app usage, the phone might use AI to make everything faster and more intuitive. And don't forget about Samsung's AI-powered One UI, which could bring more personalized features than ever before. Now let's move on to camera upgrades. While Samsung is sticking to the 200-megapixel primary sensor, leaks suggest it's focusing on improving zoom and low-light photography. The Ultra could feature an upgraded periscope zoom lens that offers sharper details, even at extreme zoom levels. Paired with AI enhancements, the S25 Ultra could take night photography to a whole new level. Another exciting feature is satellite connectivity. Just like Apple's emergency SOS, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could allow users to send texts or make emergency calls even when there's no cellular network. This feature could be especially useful for adventurers or those in remote areas. And of course, design is always a big talking point. The S25 Ultra might retain the sharp edges and boxy look we know and love, but leaks suggest a titanium frame. This would make the phone lighter and more durable, giving it a true premium feel. Additionally, we could see new color options and an even slimmer design. The display will also see some improvements. The phone is expected to feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with even better brightness, contrast, and power efficiency. If you thought Samsung displays were already the best, the S25 Ultra could raise the bar even higher. Battery life is another area Samsung seems to be focusing on. Leaks indicate a 5,200 mAh battery with faster charging support. Combined with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's efficiency, you can expect this phone to easily last a full day, even with heavy usage. Finally, let's talk about gaming and benchmarks. Reports suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with Samsung's custom GPU, delivers stunning gaming performance. Leaked benchmark scores show up to a 20% performance boost over the S24 Ultra, which means better frame rates, smoother gameplay, and longer gaming sessions without overheating. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a true flagship powerhouse. From cutting-edge AI features and top-notch performance to a refined design and improved battery life, Samsung is pulling out all the stops. If these leaks hold true, this could be the most advanced smartphone we've seen yet. As per the leaks, the new S25 will come at an early 2025 with the latest One UI stable version. Well-established leaker Ice Universe has claimed the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be offered in 4 color options: black, green, blue, and titanium. Lastly, if you liked this video, then please subscribe to this channel and like our video for the next updates and reviews.